Hello, today I'm going to show you how to rearrange Instagram posts once they are posted. Let's start. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Here, click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on a post from here and click on its three dots from the top right corner, then tap on Edit. Here, you can only delete specific photos in order to rearrange them. Once they are done, tap on Done. After that, click on Menu from the top right corner. Go into Your Activity, tap on Recently Deleted. Here, you can see the post you deleted earlier. You can repost it by clicking on the Restore icon. Also, if you click on three dots, you can either delete or restore the post. So tap to restore the post and go back to your profile to view the post. As you can see, the order of pictures has now changed. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this, and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.